Former President Donald Trump experienced a harrowing security breach while enjoying a round of golf at his Florida golf course. Witnesses reported seeing a man, later identified as 58-year-old Ryan Wesley Routh, brandishing an AK-47-style rifle and aiming it in the direction of the former president. Chaos erupted as Secret Service agents swiftly moved to secure Trump, whisking him away from the perceived threat. Routh attempted to flee the scene, leaving behind 2 backpacks and a GoPro camera, but was apprehended by local law enforcement shortly after. This chilling incident marks the second attempt on Trump's life in recent months, raising serious concerns about the safety and security of former presidents. The incident has sent shockwaves through the nation, prompting a full-scale investigation by the FBI and other relevant authorities. The discovery of Routh's online activity, including posts critical of Trump and expressing support for Ukraine, has added another layer of complexity to the investigation. Authorities are working tirelessly to determine the extent of Routh's plans, any potential co-conspirators, and the motivations behind his alleged actions. Ryan Wesley Routh, a 58-year-old construction company owner, has been thrust into the national spotlight as the suspect in the attempted assassination of former President Donald Trump. Details about Routh's life and potential motivations are slowly emerging as investigators delve into his background. Routh's online presence paints a picture of a man seemingly fixated on the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. His social media posts reveal a fervent desire to join the Ukrainian Foreign Legion, with claims of wanting to fight and die for the cause. Despite his online pronouncements, there is no evidence to suggest Routh ever successfully joined the Ukrainian forces. Routh's family and friends have expressed shock and disbelief at his alleged actions, describing him as a generally quiet and reserved individual. However, investigators are meticulously piecing together his online activity, financial records, and any potential connections to extremist groups to gain a better understanding of what might have driven him to such an act. The uncovering of Routh's AK-47-style rifle, along with 2 backpacks and a GoPro camera, has raised further questions about his intentions. Did he plan to document his actions? Was he acting alone? Or was he part of a larger plot? These are just some of the questions investigators are working tirelessly to answer. The attempted assassination of former President Donald Trump has reverberated across the globe, drawing condemnation from world leaders and reigniting conversations about political violence and security concerns for public figures. From Washington to London to Moscow, the incident has dominated headlines and sparked widespread outrage. British Prime Minister Keir Starmer expressed his solidarity with the United States, emphasizing that violence has no place in a democratic society and that political disagreements should never escalate to such extremes. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy, while grappling with the ongoing conflict in his own country, condemned the attack and reiterated his nation's stance against political violence in all its forms. Even former Russian President Dmitry Medvedev, known for his often critical stance towards the West, weighed in on the incident, speculating on the potential motivations behind the attack and underscoring the volatile political climate that can lead to such acts. The global response to the attempted assassination underscores the gravity of the situation and the shared concern over the safety of public figures. The incident has also prompted renewed scrutiny of security measures for former heads of state. While the Secret Service's swift response has been lauded, the incident serves as a stark reminder of the very real threats faced by high-profile individuals, even after leaving office. Section 4. The Secret Service Guardians of the Past. The Secret Service protects current and former presidents and their families. Their swift actions during the attempted assassination of former President Trump were widely praised. Former Agent Robert McDonald commended their rapid response, highlighting their ability to assess threats and react in high-pressure situations. He emphasized the importance of vigilance and constant evaluation of security protocols. The incident serves as a reminder that threats are real and require a multifaceted approach to ensure safety. Section 5. Unraveling the Motive. The FBI is focused on understanding what drove Ryan Wesley Routh to allegedly attempt the assassination of former President Trump. Routh's online activity, supporting Ukraine and criticizing Trump, offers initial clues. Forensic experts analyze the backpacks and GoPro camera left at the scene. They seek digital evidence to understand his planning and connections. Routh's financial records are scrutinized for suspicious transactions. Investigators look for ties to extremist groups that might have influenced him. The investigation is complex, but authorities are committed to uncovering the truth.